Hey, so I want to share some information about the if statement and the main logical operator. Let's do the main logical operator first, and let's talk about the thing I learned about the main logical operators when quantifiers are involved first. And that is basically just that the first quantifier in the sentence is always the main logical operator if it is present. So why is that? Actually, let me show you an example here on screen. So here, everything between the parent after everything after the quantifier is part of its scope, and because every x that comes after this quantifier will be will be that x that is signified by that quantifier. So yeah, that is why that is. So if there are two quantifiers, the first is the first one is also still the main logical operator because that second quantifier is also within the scope of that first one. Yeah. Now with connectives, it's kind of the reverse. So the last connective is my well, not the last. Well, the last connective is the main logical operator if the connectives are both conjunction of both disjunctions. So let me show you an example again here on screen. Uh, Here there are no parentheses, so you can't really tell which is the main logical operator. But then you should assume that that you will start inputting the parentheses in the formula from the first connective. So it would be this instead of this. And because it would be this, you would know that the quantifier, that the last connective is the main logical operator. Now, the last thing that I want to discuss is the if only if and if statement. Now, the if statement, as you know, is this. But the only if statement is kind of the reverse because instead of if A then B, it is only if A then B, meaning that if B then A, which is the same thing. And then the if and only if is a combination of these two, which makes it a biconditional because it's conditional from both sides. So that little grammar thing is a convenient way for you to remember that. So yeah, I thought it was interesting. Okay.